curious. Thinking about going vegan? It's a great choice for your health and the planet. Let's talk about how to stay nutrient savvy. First up, vitamin B12. This little guy is crucial for your brain and nerves. Don't skip it. Since it's mostly in animal products, grab a B12 supplement or fortified foods like cereals and plant milks. Next, iron. Beans, lentils and spinach are iron-rich, but your body absorbs plant iron better with a vitamin C buddy. Think bell peppers or oranges with your meals. Don't forget omega-3, yes. Flax seeds, chia seeds and walnuts are your best friends here. They are packed with nutrients. Just toss them in your smoothies or salads. And lastly, calcium. Look for fortified plant milks, tofu and leafy greens. Easy peasy, right? So there you have it. A simple guide to staying healthy. Keeping a balanced vegan diet is totally doable and enjoyable. Stay healthy, stay happy, enjoy the journey, and keep thriving on plants. Your body will thank you. Catch you next time. Take care.